In this video, I'll show you how to check your Deepseek language. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guidance and content like this. If you want to check your Deepseek language, what we're going to do right now, head over to your Deepseek, right? Once you're on Deepseek, click on the My Profile, click on the My Settings. You can see the language here. You'd rather see the system. You can select this. You can select this, right? If you select this, you see everything has changed automatically. Then if I still go back, I think here, right? I click on this. So you can see everything just changed, right? So it's basically how you can check your Deepseek language. If you want to do helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna do what I did again, right? Head over to your profile, click on this. You can just change this to this, right? To show you something, then I'll still click on this, come on here, click on English. If you want to do helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you on the very next one.